Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Glue Craft is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast, crafter, or even professional artist, offering a reliable way to bring your creative visions to life with precision and durability. Whether you're assembling intricate models, repairing household items, or embarking on a new scrapbooking project, the right glue can make all the difference in achieving a seamless and long-lasting finish. This review will delve into what makes a particular glue craft stand out from the rest, ensuring your projects are not only beautiful but also built to last, saving you time and frustration. Number 5. B7000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue Kit. Discover the upgraded B7000 Jewelry Glue Kit, your all-in-one solution for all your crafting needs. It includes everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Experience effortless application with our anti-clogging cap and ultra-fine tip. Achieve precise, controlled glue application for even the most delicate projects. This professional-grade jewelry glue offers superior viscosity and a transparent finish that won't yellow over time. It's strong, waterproof, and dries quickly for durable results. From cell phones and jewelry to nail art and fabric crafts, its versatility is unmatched. It adheres beautifully to a wide range of materials, making it perfect for any project. This kit comes with essential tools like a wax pencil, tweezers, and dotting pens. These accessories help you pick up small rhinestones, control glue placement, and even create intricate nail art designs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a jewelry maker, or a nail art artist, this flexible adhesive is designed to meet your needs. It's perfect for repairs, embellishments, and all your crafting endeavors. What we like? This is a comprehensive kit for all your detailed embellishment needs. It includes multiple application tools for precise placement and a strong, waterproof bond that lasts. If you are working on intricate jewelry, delicate nail art, or attaching small rhinestones, this is the perfect choice for a secure and lasting finish. What people say. The glue is easy to use and dries clear. It holds well on various materials like paper, fabric, and wood. The nozzle allows for precise application, which is great for detailed projects. Number 4. Krightlink Hot Glue Gun Kit. Get started quickly with this powerful tool. It heats up in just 1 minute, ready for your projects. Achieve perfect application every time. The precision nozzle ensures accurate glue flow and prevents messy drips. Craft with comfort thanks to its ergonomic handle. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle for extended use. This tool is perfect for a wide range of materials and projects. From school crafts to home repairs, it sticks firmly and dries quickly. Everything you need is in the box. It comes with the glue gun and 30 glue sticks to meet all your crafting needs. Designed for safety and ease of use. Simply hold the handle and let the precision nozzle do the work. What we like? Experience rapid crafting with this fast-heating glue gun. Its anti-drip nozzle ensures clean application, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. If you need quick fixes around the house, enjoy DIY projects that require speedy assembly, or are working on school crafts, this tool offers efficiency and ease. What people say. The glue is easy to use and dries clear. It holds well on various materials like paper, fabric, and wood. The nozzle allows for precise application, which is great for detailed projects. Number 3. Beacon 3-in-1 Advanced Craft Glue. Discover the ultimate adhesive for all your crafting needs. This advanced formula offers a powerful bond for a variety of materials. Achieve a flawless finish with its crystal clear, waterproof properties. It provides an instant grab that holds projects securely. Don't let drying time slow you down. This glue dries quickly, allowing you to complete your projects in no time. From wood and ceramics to fabrics and beyond, it's perfect for a wide range of hobby and craft applications. Experience its incredibly fast grab, ensuring your creations stay put. It dries completely clear, leaving no unsightly residue. This is your go-to solution for reliable and efficient crafting. Get the job done right with this exceptional adhesive. What we like? Achieve a professional look with this versatile, fast-drying adhesive. It provides an instant, crystal-clear bond that works on a variety of materials. If you're looking for a reliable glue for wood, ceramics, fabrics, or general craft projects where a clean, strong bond is essential, this is an excellent option. What people say. The glue is easy to use and dries clear. It holds well on various materials like paper, fabric, and wood. The nozzle allows for precise application, which is great for detailed projects. Number 2. Marsrock Double-Sided Tape Roller 6-Pack. Introducing the Marsrock Double-Sided Tape Roller, a must-have for all your scrapbooking and crafting needs. This value pack comes with 6 rolls, offering ample adhesive for countless projects. Experience the difference with our quick-drying formula that won't spill or wrinkle. It provides a strong, acid-free adhesion that keeps your photos vibrant and projects looking professional. Our innovative design ensures a clean and hassle-free application. The ergonomic grip and U-shaped applicator allow for smooth, precise dispensing every time. Simplify your crafting with our easy-to-use design. Just press, pull, and lift for a smooth, seamless application that makes your projects a breeze. From DIY crafts and card making to gift wrapping and office tasks, this versatile tape is your go-to adhesive. It delivers a clean, professional finish for all your creative endeavors. This isn't just an adhesive, it's a stylish addition to your craft supplies. The colorful design adds a touch of flair while providing exceptional value and functionality. What we like. Get a clean, mess-free bond every time with this double-sided tape roller. Its acid-free formula is perfect for preserving photos, and the easy-to-use roller ensures smooth, precise application. If you're a scrapbook enthusiast, love gift wrapping, or need a reliable way to attach photos without damaging them, this tape is ideal. What people say. This glue is excellent for paper crafts, it dries clear and doesn't warp the paper. The precision applicator tip allows for detailed work, perfect for small embellishments. It holds strong and is flexible once dry, making it ideal for mixed media projects. Number 1. ALEENE'S Always Ready Original Tacky Glue. Introducing ALEENE'S Always Ready Original Tacky Glue. It's the perfect adhesive for all your crafting needs, always ready when inspiration strikes. For over 75 years, crafters have relied on this versatile glue. It provides dependable bonds for a wide variety of DIY projects and home crafts. Its thick, tacky formula grabs materials on contact. This makes it ideal for use on paper, felt, foam, wood, metal, and ceramics. Enjoy a durable, permanent finish that won't yellow over time. Your projects will look clean and polished, no matter the repair or craft. Applying it is a breeze with its no-cut tip for precise control. Plus, cleanup is simple, wet glue wipes away easily, and dried glue washes off with soap and water. What we like. Rely on a classic for your crafting needs with this trusted, all-purpose glue. Its thick, tacky formula grabs instantly, and it dries clear and permanent for durable results. If you work with a variety of materials like paper, felt, foam, or wood, and need a dependable glue that's easy to apply and clean up, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. I love the new bottle, too much easier to use. Trusted, non-toxic, great holding power. I do like the design of the bottle so that it's always ready to go though. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.